Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to check hard disk or SSD health using Hard Disk Sentinel software. First, open your web browser and search for Hard Disk Sentinel. Now open the official Hard Disk Sentinel website. From the website, download the latest version of Hard Disk Sentinel. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. Click Next and follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and continue with the default installation settings. After the installation is finished, launch Hard Disk Sentinel. The software will automatically detect all installed hard drives and SSDs on your computer. On the left side, select the drive that you want to check. Here you can see the overall health percentage of the drive. You can also see the current temperature and performance status. In my case, the drive health is showing 94%, which indicates that the SSD is in good condition. You can click on the Temperature tab to monitor the current drive temperature and maximum recorded temperature. The S.M.A.R.T tab provides detailed information about the health status of the drive and can help identify potential issues before a drive failure occurs. If your drive health is close to 100% and there are no warnings, your drive is working normally. Hard Disk Sentinel is a useful tool for monitoring SSD and hard disk health, temperature, and performance. I hope this video helped you check your hard drive health easily. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.